Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Today, with August 14th's ALDI Finds, your meal prep will be easy and delicious. With their amazing deals and fresh ingredients, you'll be whipping up tasty, budget-friendly meals in no time. Now let's get started. All right, we're going to start with the home goods section. First up, we have the Easy Home Flexible Basket. It comes in white, green, gray, or taupe, and it is a 1 bushel capacity. Friends, I have a ton of the white ones. I use them all the time. They're only $3.99. Next up, we have the Huntington Home 2-in-1 electric wax warmer, $9.99, and they do come in several different colors and designs. Next up, we have the Huntington Home 300 thread count sheet set. It does come in queen or king, available in gray, white, or taupe, and it's only $29.99. We have the Huntington Home bath towel or hand towel and washcloth set. The hand towels and washcloth sets include 2 towels and 2 washcloths, and they are $6.99 each, and they're available in gray, beige, and green. Here we have the Huntington Home Cushion Grip Bath Mat. They are easy care machine washable. You can get it in gray, white, green, and light green, only $4.99. We have the Huntington Home Luxury Cotton Bath Mat. It is machine washable. It comes in several different colors, and it's only $9.99. We have the Huntington Home Queen or King 3-piece bed set, $29.99. We have the Huntington Home Quilted Queen or King mattress pad, only $24.99. The Huntington Home Scented Wax Melts, you can get it in pumpkin, apple, cinnamon, or vanilla for only $1.89. And the last item in this section, friends, is the Huntington Home Ultra Cozy Knit Throw. It is available in cream leopard print, blue leopard print, purple ombre stripes, and beige arches for only $19.99. And now we're heading into the household essentials section. And the first item we have here is the Boulder 300 count uncoated paper plates for only $9.99. We have the Downy April Fresh, $10.97 for 111 ounces. We have the Febreze Air Mist assorted varieties for only $3.24. And the last item in this section is the Tide Hygienic Clean Power Pods for only $12.97. And now we're moving into the kitchen section. First up, we have the Ambiano 2-slice toaster. You can get it in black, or it looks like white or maybe a light gray. It doesn't say, but I'm not quite sure if that's a white or a gray. It's only $19.99. Oh, how fun is this? We have the Ambiano mini popcorn or cotton candy maker. It comes in 2 different colors and it's only $14.99. We have the Ambiano portable blender. It comes in black, blue, purple, or teal, only $14.99. We have the Crofton 16-piece durable food storage set for $8.99. We have the Crofton 3-pack divided food storage. You can select from 2 or 3 compartment food storage boxes, only $9.99. And we have the Crofton baking dish. It is stain resistant, easy to clean, and it comes in square or oval in green. I'm not sure, friends, if I believe that's white, and it's only $9.99. We have the Crofton baking gadgets. You can choose from the 9-piece icing bag set, the 2-piece spatula set for the roll up cooling rack. I am having a hard time speaking. $3.99. We have the Crofton expandable colander or splatter guard. You can get it in gray or green for only $4.99. Next up, we have the Crofton silicone prep trays. It includes 2 square and 2 rectangular prep trays for only $7.99. We have the Crofton small baking pans, only $4.99 each. And we have the Crofton wooden chopping blocks. You can get round or square in 2 different woods, and they're only $12.99. And the last item in this section is the Zac 25-ounce character water bottles. They come in Super Mario, Sonic, Spider-Man, Minecraft, Lilo and Stitch, and Disney Princess designs, only $5.99. And now, friends, we're heading in the decor section. First up is the Castellux rattan lamp for only $29.99. Huntington Home faux leather pillows. They come in several different designs, only $9.99. And the last item in this section is the Soul Furniture woven accent bench for $39.99. And now we're heading into the home improvement section. We have the Easy Home damage free hooks. You can choose from 6-pack designer hooks, 6-pack wire hooks, 8-pack black picture hanging strips, or 8-pack white picture hanging strips for only $3.99. We have the Easy Home fabric power strips or extension cords for $9.99. We have the Easy Storage 13-liter storage box for only $4.99. The Huntington Home fabric storage cubes, they do come in beige or brown, only $9.99. We have the Huntington Home hanging closet storage. It's available in gray or tan, only $9.99. The Huntington Home over the door towel bar, it does come in metal, black, or silver. And again, that's only $9.99. We have the Huntington Home shelf rack with hooks. You can get it in black or white. $9.99, friends. And we have the Huntington Home shower caddy organizer. It does come in metal, black, or silver, and that's $12.99. The Huntington Home underbed storage bin. You can get 3 different lid colors, white, black, or dark blue. $9.99. The Huntington Home vanity mirror with tray that comes in 2 different colors, and you can get it for $12.99. Next up is the Joie drain accessories. You can choose from sink plug and strainer in black, duck, flower, or frog designs, or drain wig drain cleaner in flower or ocean designs, only $4.99. And the last item in this section is the Visage LED vanity mirror. It does come in 2 different colors, and it's only $7.99. And now we're heading into the outdoor living section. First up, we have the 10-inch foliage assorted varieties. Please note this is not available in all locations, and it's only $13.99. Here we have the Balavi Animal Spinner Steak. You can choose from flamingo, peacock, or heron, and they're only $12.99. The last item in this section is the pink polka dot plant and comes with the cherry on top. It is not available in all locations, and it's only $4.99. Now we're moving into the apparel section. We do just have this one item here, and it is the Sarah Ladies open toe slippers. They come in light blue, dark blue, merlot, and gray. Each has a different saying on them, and they're only $4.99. Now we're heading into the health and beauty section. First up, we have the Conair compact hot rollers for $14.99. We have the Crest Oral-B Oral Care Daily Regimen, only $3.97. We have the DentaGuard rechargeable sonic toothbrush. It does come in several different colors for $19.99. We have the Herbal Essence shampoo or conditioners. It comes in assorted varieties for only $6.97. We have the Lacura Blemish Dots plain or printed, $1.99. And the last item in this section is the Visage Gel Mask or Facial Set for only $4.99. And now, friends, we're moving into the beverage section. First up, we have the Alani Nu Energy Drink Mix Sticks. It comes in assorted varieties. Please note this is not available in all locations, and it is only $9.98 for 10 sticks in each package. Next up, we have the Arizona Arnold Palmer Gallon Tea. I love the Arnold Palmer half and half tea, $3.48. We have the Gatorade 12-ounce 12-pack. It comes in assorted varieties for only $7.18. We have the pop and bottle flavored oat milk latte. You can get vanilla, mocha, caramel, or matcha green tea. Friends, I've never heard of this, but I want one. They're not available in all locations and they're only $2.95 each. We have the Prime Hydration Drink Mix Sticks, assorted varieties. This is not available in all locations and it's $8.99 per box of or per package of 6. We have the Sprecher Orange Dream or low cal root beer for only $4.98. And the last item in this section is the Waterloo Sparkling Water, assorted varieties. It's 8 cans for only $3.98. And now we're heading into the bakery and bread section. First up, we have the Bake Shop chocolate chip cookie sandwiches for $4.89. We have the Bake Shop lemon cookie sandwiches for $4.79. Love and Fresh cheddar cheese buns, yum, $3.95. Pretzilla pretzels hamburger buns, only $2.99. Next up, we have the specially selected Asiago cheese Siat- Siatibata rolls. I'm not sure how you say that, friends, for $3.49. And the last item in this section is the specially selected everything brioche buns for only $3.29. And now, friends, we're heading into the snacks section. First up, we have the Benton's Coconut Rolls Sea Salt Caramel for only $3.49. We have the Benton's Mini Waffle Cones, Peppermint or Hazelnut, $3.99. We had the Clancy's Butter Twist Tubs pretzels for only $4.99. The Clancy's Onion Snack Rings original or hot for $1.99. Clancy's Roasted Sweet Corn Popcorn for $2.49. Clancy's Salt and Pepper or Seasoned Salt Chips only $1.95. Clancy's Sweet Potato Chips Ranch or Jalapeno only $2.99. On the Border queso or salsa tortilla chips for only $2.49. Popfully yellow popcorn kernels only $3.99. Snyder's of Hanover honey mustard or hot buffalo pretzel pieces for only $2.49. Southern Grove summer trail mixes mint chocolate chip or s'mores for only $4.39. And the last item in this section is the Utz Pub Mixed Barrel, only $7.12. And now we're heading into the dairy and eggs section. We only have 2 items here. The first item is the Friendly Farms color changing yogurt, blueberry or strawberry for only $2.49. And the other item, friends, is the Simply Nature cashew milk yogurt alternative, plain or vanilla bean for only $5.19. And now we're heading into the deli section. We just have 2 items here as well. We have the Simply Nature chicken sausage barbecue or green chili, and it's only $4.99. We have the Zuka's chicken tiki masalas or chicken coconut curry for only $9.79. Please note that is not available in all locations. Now we're heading into the frozen section. The Belmont Cheesecake New York style or strawberry swirl. Oh, the strawberry swirl sounds good. For only $7.99. So we have the Ben and Jerry's Cherry Garcia ice cream pints for only $4.68. We have the Blue Bunny Mini Swirls Vanilla Cones for $4.89, and you get 8 cones. We have the Butterball Seasoned Turkey Burgers. You get 6 of those for $8.99. The Cattleman's Ranch Smash Burgers. You get 8 of those for $7.99. We have the Vermont Fish Market Chilean Red Shrimp for $7.49 for 12 ounces. And friends, I'm not sure about this. It's in the frozen section in their advertisement, and it is the Fresh Farms cotton candy grapes, $3.49 for 12 ounces. But I don't think they're frozen, but that's how their advertisement was laid out. It was in the frozen section, so I left it like that, but I am thinking that it's not. Next up, we have the Journey to Butter Chicken, only $4.49. And we have the Journey to Mini Nampanadas Butter Chicken or Chickpea Curry for $4.99. And we have the Journey to Samosas for $4.49. We have the Pure Aqua Frozen Freezy Pops for $3.49. And we have the Season's Choice Steamed Southwest Corn Blend or the Elliot Style Corn for only $2.49. And the last item in this section is the specially selected authentic Italian pizza. It comes in two different varieties for only $4.99. And now we're heading into the fresh meat section. We just have one item here, and it's the Never Any seasoned lamb leg steaks. They are $7.99 per pound, and they do come in random weight. And now, friends, we are moving into our last section. We have the Bodea lime or orange pepper seasoning, only $2.99. We have the Berry Hill ice cream syrups for $2.09. We have the Chef's Cupboard potato salads, assorted varieties for $1.49. And we have the Great Gherkins mango habanero or spicy maple bourbon pickle chips for $2.79. Olive Garden garlic romano croutons for $1.99. And we have the Olive Garden signature Italian dressing for $3.98. And we have the Regano tricolor rotini for 75 cents a box, and that's 12 ounces. We have the Stone Mill popcorn seasonings, assorted varieties for $1.99. And friends, the last item for today is the Tostitos mild or medium salsas, and they are only $4.74. From Aldi's website, items are available while quantities last. Items are limited and may not be available in all stores. There may be a limit on quantities sold. Prices and labels may vary by location. Aldi is not responsible for printing or typographical errors. Mama Needs a Gold disclaimer. Mama Needs a Goal is not associated, affiliated, or sponsored by Aldi. I am just a consumer who is sharing her love of Aldi by reposting the Aldi Finds. I am not responsible for printing, voiceover, or typographical errors. So, friends, thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please go ahead, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So, friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next week for more great Aldi finds.